Hello, I'm Erika.
And I'm Alexia.
Today's tutorial is about English proverbs. Let's learn some.
A bird in hand is worth two in the bush.
This means things we already have are more valuable than what we hope to get.
Absence makes the heart grow fonder.
When people we love are not with us, we love them more.
Time heals all wounds.
Let time pass by and you'll feel better.
A fool and his money are soon parted.
Foolish people do not know how to hold on to their money.
The mice will play when the cat is away.
When a person in authority is away, those under the person's rule will enjoy their freedom. Thanks for joining us today. Come visit us at Harmon Hall, Puebla Juárez, 242-4158.